Won't eat from the pumpkin and the orange feeder. He'd rather go back home. So I put in this cup of seeds for him because he just refused to eat. It's been days now and he's just refusing to eat. So after a few hours I have to put back the food. So this is Mango. I had him the longest and he's the most stubborn. And this is Rainbow. I had him only for a year and he's the most flexible, I guess because he's young, only a year old. Mango here is 7 years old. Blueberry here, he's at least 7 and he's getting used to it. So every bird has their own adjustment period. And Rainbow will eat from anything, almost anything. Alright, Rainbow, be nice. Rainbow's annoying like that. Okay, let's see how long it'll take you to get used to it. It's been 2 weeks now and you still won't go near the pumpkin feeder. Yeah, even though he's seeing Rainbow and Blueberry eating from it, he still won't have anything to do with it. Stubborn Mango.